ready, go. C, Senor, by the rail is Tip in the Night. Tip in the Night, Unchanging Warrior. Down on the inside is Trixie May. Alongside Blunt Ambition. Running down on the inside, C, Senor, Woodsy Ribbon. And entry number 4, Biba Bola is running at the tail of the field. Tip in the Night by some 5 lengths, followed now by C, Senor. Trixie May down on the inside, Blunt Ambition, and Changing Water rushing up his Woodsy Ribbon and Biba Bola. Rounding the far turn, Tip in the Night by some 3 lengths. C, Senor is getting closer in second. Blunt Ambition is racing third by some 4 lengths. Woodsy Ribbon down on the inside, and Changing Warrior racing towards the final turn and into the long Santana stretch run with Tip in the Night by some 5 lengths now. Si Senor, Woodsy Ribbon down on the inside, Blunt Ambition, and Changing Water, Biba Bola, Trixie May, and nearing the finish line, Tip in the Night by some 8 lengths now, and finally Tip in the Night second. Woodsy Ribbon, Unchanging Water, Si Senor, Blunt Ambition, Biba Bola, and Trixie May comes last.